I was recording, they were being so loud and they didn't even care. So sorry for any noise, that's not me. But make sure you enjoy the video anyway. Thanks for watching. What's going on, everybody?
That kind of person.
What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a video with just me and Lainey over there. She doesn't want to cook. Okay, so today we're gonna make the Red Lobster biscuits. What do you? Okay, so we gotta pour the mix in. ASMR.
Yeah.
Okay, so the mix is poured. Step 1, done. Now we have to add the water, which our mama already measured out for us. Done. And now we have to add half a cup of shredded cheese. That does not look like a bunch of, that does not look like a lot of cheese.
No.
Should I add some more?
No.
Okay, well, apparently that's half a cup of cheese. Gonna put that in there. Get this back, Mama. And now we mix. Lainey, I'm doing a cooking show. You're being rude. This is what it looks like so far.
Excuse me.
Lainey, how do I tell if it over mixes? Until the
When it's
dough.
liquidy.
Do you have a scoop?
Okay,
Just scoop
what is it?
And
What are we eating?
Lainey, it's not coming out.
What?
Mama, can you come show me how to use this? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. I don't even like Red Lobster. I just go for the biscuits, to be honest. I'm filming a video,
I know.
so go away. So anyway, Lainey, what I was asking you was, do you like Red Lobster?
A little. Yeah, I think. I can't remember if it was like Logan's Roadhouse. Is that what that's called? Logan's.
Those are two completely
I know.
different
I can't remember if it was Red Lobster. It might have been Logan's Roadhouse. Man, I got a burger one time and they put mustard on it. I said I sent it back because I
Like,
could not
do
eat
you know
mustard
what
without-
Red Lobster is?
Seafood.
They don't even sell burgers.
That's what I'm saying. I think it was Logan's.
I asked you about Red Lobster.
Sorry. I want to talk about Logan's. I know. I went to Logan's one time and I asked for a hamburger with strictly just ketchup. And they put mustard on there. They put mustard on there, and I sent that thing back. You can tell where they just scraped it off. They didn't even give me a new burger. I could still taste the mustard.
Poor thing. Mama, do you like Red Lobster? I only like the biscuits. Is it like legal to go somewhere and just order water and like get biscuits and then like if something happens you can just leave? Because technically water is free and the bread is complimentary, right? Is that like, would that be illegal?
I don't think it's illegal. I think it's frowned upon.
I would do it. Me and I thought about doing it one day. So this one still has a little mix in it. It's okay though. We'll get that one around. Okay, this thing said it's gonna make 8 to 10. This is 12. Oh, almost. Gotta bring my pan. What should I cook next time?
Try, when do you think it will be the next time you cook?
I don't know.
Because if it's like Valentine's, you do like Valentine's thing stuff.
Like cookies?
Yeah.
This can be a new segment, Cooking with Erica. So, I'm probably gonna have to end up putting more cheese on my biscuit. Because that half a cup did not look like enough. Like I told her, I needed another pan. It's already full.
Yeah.
Move out the way. Okay, so they're done. So we're gonna put them in the oven.
A few moments later.
Okay, so they're done. That's real hot. And that's what they look like. They're not done yet. I have to put some butter on them, which is what we're gonna make right now. Okay, so now that they're out of the oven, I'm going to make the herb butter sauce. So we need a 1/4 cup of butter. This looks like a lot of butter.
Sorry.
And then we have to put it in this thing and melt it.
Makeup buyers beware.
Oh my god. I'm not done yet. Okay, so it's basically, okay, I'm not showing you, but it's basically melted. It's basically melted. Now, I have to add the mix. And just pour it in. Oh, that's strong. And then you just stir it.
What is that?
It's the herbs.
What's going on?
Got the biscuits. And now we're just gonna pour this on there and see if it works. Oh, what is that? It's not supposed to be there. Okay. By the way, this does not look like enough butter for all of this. Okay, I'm actually surprised that that covered all of them.
James just said, unless you're an artist. Just kidding. Unless you're in a lawsuit.
Okay, so this is the finished product. They look really good. And then there's trash. Okay, so I don't know when the next Cooking with Erica will be, And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. The next video should be up soon. Bye.